Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to show you how to use or manipulate zipped files within Vertex. And normally you do a search and there's files, product files out to the right, and we can show you here. You can see for certain platforms the files to the right in this column here are zipped files. They're a package that you would normally download and you'd get all of the files within that zip file. Within Vertex, we've now allowed the feature for you to explode what's in that zip file online, take a look at it and say, I don't want everything, I only want particular files within that zipped product file. And you can do that and then add those selected products to your queue, or you can say no, I want the whole zip file, and you can just add that to your queue as well. And so we give you more power into looking into zipped product files, exploding it out, and selecting exactly what you want. And that's all there is to it. Thank you.